Yep, Reolink did it. Now my Reolink Video Doorbell, and this is the Wi-Fi version, can stream and record to my Reolink NVR. Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we are going to check and review Reolink's Video Doorbell. Now, there are two versions of this. Both are wired, and we have a Wi-Fi version and also a PoE or Power over Ethernet version. And they basically perform, their features and specs are the same, except for a few, which I'll tell you later in the video. Thank you, Reolink, for sending me these doorbells to be reviewed. We'll check out its features, do a quick unboxing, set it up and install, and check out its video and audio quality day and night, and run our usual camera testing, and see if this Reolink Video Doorbell is a good option for your front door. Let's check out its specs and features. It records in 2K quality and has a 5 megapixel sensor, 2560 by 1920 pixel resolution at 20 frames per second. It has a 134-degree horizontal and 97-degree vertical field of view with a combined 180 degrees diagonal field of view. The Wi-Fi version can connect to both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the PoE version to a PoE switch to your router or on the back of your Reolink's NVR. It has person detection only as to its AI. As to storage, it can record motion events or 24/7 recording on a microSD card on the doorbell itself up to a 256GB card, and also can record to Reolink's NVR. As to voice assistance, it is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google for live viewing. It comes with its own chime that you plug in, and this will not chime your existing chime. I have both the Wi-Fi and PoE versions, and I'll just be opening the Wi-Fi version. Inside the box, we have some paperwork, a quick start guide, and a mounting template. And I'm surprised that there's no Windows sticker. Then we have the doorbell itself, all plastic build. We have the camera lens, two mics, and an infrared LED somewhere here, and the status light. And we have the doorbell button, surrounded by a ring light. On the bottom, we have the speaker. On the back, we have the terminal screws and reset button. And even though that this is Wi-Fi, it has an Ethernet port if you want this directly connected to your router or NVR. You still need to wire this for power though compared to the PoE version. And we have the microSD card slot. And we have the plug-in chime. Speaker on the back. We have the settings, tone selector, and volume. What else is inside the box? We have the always included short Ethernet cable. We have the jumper wires for your existing chime. And it also comes with 4.5 meters or around 15 feet of power cable. This is only for the Wi-Fi version, and the PoE version doesn't have this because it doesn't need a power supply. We have some extension wires and wire nuts. We have the mounting screws, plastic anchors, and a push pin. We have a metal mounting plate and a 15-degree angled wedge. We have a power supply barrel connector, and we have a power adapter, and this is 24 volts, 0.5 amps. The difference between the Wi-Fi version and the PoE is that the power supply is not included in the PoE version. And with the PoE or Power over Ethernet, you only just need one Ethernet cable for both power and data. And you just need a PoE injector or PoE switch. Or you can directly plug this into your Reolink's NVR. Time to set this up, which I'll do this inside the house. First, I'll insert a microSD card and going to wire in the short power connector and plug this in with the included adapter. Open up the Reolink app. Click the plus sign to add the doorbell. Scan the QR code which is in the back of the doorbell. Choose your connection method, which you can also connect this directly to your router if you have an Ethernet cable, but I'll choose Wi-Fi in this setup. Type in your Wi-Fi credentials, and it will generate a QR code that you need to show the doorbell. Type in a device password, name your device, and it is set up. Plug in the chime. Test the doorbell button. Yep, it works. Time to install this outside. First, turn off power to your doorbell. Open up your chime box and unscrew either the trans or front terminal and insert one end of the jumper cable. Unscrew the other terminal and screw in the other end of the jumper cable. Now at your front door, remove your existing doorbell. Thread the doorbell wires to the hole on the mounting bracket. Screw in the bracket to the wall using the two included mounting screws. Screw in either of the doorbell wires to the two terminals on the back of the doorbell. Tuck the wires in. Hook the top part of the doorbell to the lip on the top of the bracket. Pull down the doorbell and push it into the wall and it will click in place. Power up the doorbell and let's check the settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see the recent snapshot from the camera. Click on it to get to live view, which loads up decently quick. In here, you can pause the live view, listen in, take a snapshot or record the live view. Change the live view's quality from clear, balanced, or fluent. And we have quick replies. The first three are pre-recorded and you can add your own message. You can start two-way talk, which is full duplex, and in playback, you will see the saved recordings, which you can sort it out all motion, person, or visitors. And as you can see in this recording, there is a long pre-recording. So the camera records way before it detects motion, which is good. You're not going to miss any motion events. And also you can manually trigger the siren, which only a few doorbells have this feature. Clicking the gear icon, you will get to the camera settings, and I'll just show you the video resolution on clear mode. It records in 2560 by 1920 and the highest frame rate of 20 FPS. And you can change the bitrate from here. And on the audio, this is where you can record customized message, detection alarm, and it is the same like other Reolink cameras. You can have detection zones, paint out the areas you don't want to be notified about. You can adjust the motion sensitivity and also person detection sensitivity. One cool feature is the alarm delay, where you can set a time how long the motion needs to be before triggering a recording and notification, from 0 to 8 seconds. And we have the camera recording, which I set it to record all motions. But on the notification, I only set person and visitor that will trigger the notification. Let's talk about rich notifications. First, this feature is only available on the Wi-Fi version and not the PoE. This feature is cloud-based, which you need to subscribe. Reolink has a 1-month trial, but after that, you need to subscribe. And for a single device, it is $3 a month. I wish it is free. And this is what I did to get the snapshot preview. And another feature that it has is the time-lapse. Reolink and Wise are the only ones that I know of that has this feature. Time to do some testing. So this is the video and audio quality of Reolink's Video Doorbell. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell. And this is what it looks like when we are close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Reolink Video Doorbell at night, and this with its one infrared LED turned on and no lights. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Reolink Video Doorbell at night, and this with my front porch lights on, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. Alright, so we are going to test the motion alert notification speed of the Reolink Video Doorbell, and I'm on my LTE connection and it is 1058, so let's check it out. There you go, it's pretty quick, and I have the rich notifications turned on, and as you can see, it sees me right there. Cool. So you can set the notification on this that I'll be notified every 20 seconds. Anyways, and I did get another notification, but it's 10:59. It's still less than a minute, and let's see what the notification cool off, if there's any. On the nope. Okay, so I still get the notification again. Now let's check the doorbell push to notification speed. There you go. You can hold and you'll see me pushing the doorbell, and when you click and open it, this one needs Reolink needs to fix. It's opening up it's not the live view. It's the recording, which is still recording. It should be live view. It loads up the recording, so I'm gonna load up the live view separately. Yes, can I help you?
Yes, can I help you?
Is LifeHackster here?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave a message?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave?
No, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
I'm sorry. I think you've knocked on the wrong door.
Hi, we'll be right there. Please wait a moment. Hi, please leave the package at the door. We'll get it later.
I'll give you 10 seconds to get out of here.
Well, what do you think? I can tell you, Reolink did it. It is not perfect, but close to it. Video and audio quality are pretty good, and I like that it has multiple ways of storing the footage and can record 24/7 either in the microSD card and or on the NVR. And when only set to motion events, it is still pretty reliable in detecting motion and recording the events, and with a long pre-recording. And with the exception of rich notifications or thumbnail preview, you don't need to subscribe. If you have a Reolink system in your house, this is the video doorbell that you're waiting for. Best setup for this, which I will eventually do and I will make another video on, I'll be adding an Ethernet wiring in my existing doorbell wiring and hook this up directly to my router or on the back of my NVR. And if you want the snapshot preview, which I do, then I'll be using the Wi-Fi version instead of the PoE, but connected via Ethernet cable directly to my network. Cannot be Wi-Fi jammed, backup storage to the NVR, and I can set to record 24/7. And with the NVR having a monitor, I can continuously stream the doorbell. Now, just to nitpick, you cannot use your existing chime, and with Amazon Echo and Google devices, you can only show the live view and not use it as a chime or to make an announcement, at this time anyways. Answering the doorbell press notification gets you to the recording, which will most likely time out because the camera is still recording. It should go to live view in the first 30 seconds to a minute. And this can be easily fixed with a firmware update. Their AI only has person detection. I want to see package or even animal and vehicle detection, which they already have on their other cameras. Aside from that, this video doorbell will stay in my front door for now. And I haven't told you, it is less than $100. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.